world we live in is not black and white. It's a masterpiece painted by wind and water, sunlight and soil, a canvas where color breathes life into every corner of the earth. Red, the pulse of nature. The color of blooming passion, warning, heat and heart. It is fire, it is blood, it is life in motion. Yellow radiates warmth. It whispers of light and life, of nectar and harvest, the color of joy, the promise of day. Blue is silence. It is vast, mysterious, and calm, found in oceans and skies, where dreams drift and thoughts deepen. Green is the earth exhaling, a symbol of renewal, of stillness and growth. It roots us, heals us, holds us close. But nature rarely chooses just one. In wild bursts of color, from wings to waves, it celebrates complexity, connection, and creation. Every shade in nature tells a story of survival, attraction, evolution, and wonder.